This just in. The great bacon shortage of 2021 has hit Carnival Cruise Lines. The horror! The horror! Chris with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, before we get into our bacon story, yes, we are going to talk about bacon today. I do want to let everybody know I did receive the results for my COVID-19 test. I actually got them about 30 hours after I took the test. I just didn't mention it in yesterday's video. They came back negative. All is good. Just some kind of allergy thing. So, good to go. No problems. Thank you very much to everybody who wished me well and sent positive comments and everything my way. I really appreciated that. All right, so the great bacon shortage. And, I make light of it because I think it's funny and I think the comments were even funnier. But Mr. John Heald, who is the ambassador for Carnival Cruise Lines, put out this morning that Carnival is having a supply issue with getting bacon for their cruise ships. So it's only going to be served in the Lido Marketplace buffet every other day. Now, for me, and for most of y'all, that is probably not really a big deal. Oh, we're only going to get bacon every other day? I'm on a cruise ship. Is bacon really my biggest concern? Is not having it every day in the buffet going to be my biggest concern? No, it's not. But if you actually read the comments that he gets and see the posts he makes after he does this, he gets a lot of hateful comments, mean comments, angry comments about, to me, what are just some of the littlest things possibly imaginable, or, some of the dumbest things I've ever heard when it comes to a cruise ship. Now, don't get me wrong, some of them were hilarious. Some of them come from cruisers like you or me who just want to get on there and say something funny, something smart. My personal favorite, I think, has to be the one that said, "But I am a diamond traveler, and now I demand to meet the captain and steer the cruise ship because I can't have bacon." Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. That one was purely done in humor. But I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, like I said, go through and read the comments. Why does it always seem to start with, "I'm a diamond cruiser"? Cool. Happy for you, bro. I'm glad you're a diamond cruiser. That doesn't really mean that you're entitled to bacon when nobody else is. But there have been some good, funny ones on there. I did read one where a customer apparently was very upset and very angry because there wasn't enough stuff to watch on TV. And when they go on a cruise, they want good stuff to watch on TV. Do y'all go on a cruise to watch TV? I don't go on a cruise to watch TV. I admit I might turn it on in the evening when we're getting ready and first getting in the bed. But other than that, I don't care what's on the TV. I'm not sitting in my room watching it. Might go watch the movie Under the Stars, but not the TV on my room. So yeah, don't really care what's on that TV, but apparently it offended somebody that there wasn't proper TV for them to watch on a cruise. Also saw one where they were very upset because rooms don't come with ceiling fans. And they added in that comment that all of the other cruise lines provide ceiling fans. Why does the Carnival Mardi Gras not have a ceiling fan? Now, maybe I haven't been on every cruise ship out there, but how many of them provide ceiling fans? And have you ever noticed that they always end it with "everybody else agrees with me"? Everybody I've talked to says that this is the facts. Everybody I've talked to says this is true. That the majority of cruise passengers agree with me. Well, for you people out there that put crazy ass comments, guess what? This cruiser generally does not agree with you. Cruising is fun. Cruising is a great time. The people you meet on a cruise are great people. I am not interested if there's a ceiling fan in my room. I am not interested in what is on TV. And if I can't have bacon every single day, that's just fine. I'm cruising anyway. But the actual truth is, like I said, Carnival does currently have a supply shortage of bacon. And so if you are a fan of bacon at breakfast, understand in the buffet, you may see it only every other day while this supply shortage is going on. So just for fun, let's put in the comments below. Are you going to cancel your cruise? Demand a refund? Want a free steak dinner with lobster because you can't have bacon with breakfast? Let me know in the comments below. Or do you need to steer the ship too? Let me know what you think. All right, I hope y'all did enjoy today's video. Said it was just meant to be fun and have a few laughs at some of the goofy people's expense out there. But if you did enjoy today's video, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.